Let's take more examples on naming organic compounds. In the first compound, we have a chain of 3 carbon atoms and all the bonds are single. So the root name will be propane. And we have 2 bromine atoms attached to the second carbon in this chain. So we will write 2, 2 dash dibromopropane. So first of all, we have to identify the main chain and its name. In this case, it is propane. The branches or the functional groups are 2 bromine atoms. So we have to write dibromo because we have 2 atoms of bromine. And of course, we need to specify the location or the position of these bromine atoms. So they are both attached to the second carbon. So we have 2,2-dibromopropane. Remember that if we are separating numbers, we will use this comma, and to separate words from numbers, we will use this dash. In the second molecule, we have a carbon chain of 4 carbon atoms. So the root will be butane. However, as you can see, we have 2 functional groups. One of them is the OH group corresponding to alcohols, and the second one is a bromine atom corresponding to alkyl halides or halogen alkanes. To name alcohols, we will remove the E from the name of the alkane and we will add OL. And of course, we must specify the location of this functional group. So we will write butane, we will remove the E, dash 1 dash ol. So this means that this is an alcohol, it is butanol, and the functional group is on the first carbon atom. We will move now to the bromine atom, which is attached to the second carbon atom. So we will write 2-bromobutan 1-ol. So this is 2-bromobutan 1-ol. Please note that when you have 2 functional groups, like in this case, we will start counting from the side which gives the OH group, the alcohol group, the lowest number possible, because the OH group is more reactive, so it will define the end of the chain. For example, if this bromine atom was on this carbon atom, so we will have 2 options of counting, 1, 2, 3, and 4 as shown here, or 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we will choose the first one because it will give the OH group the lowest number possible, which is 1 instead of 4. In the third molecule, we have also a hydrocarbon chain of 4 carbon atoms with single bonds, so we will write butane. However, we have an OH group, which is an alcohol. So this molecule is an alcohol, so we will remove the E and we will add 2, which is the position of the functional group OL. So this is butan 2-ol. In the last one, we have a hydrocarbon chain of 4 carbon atoms. However, we have a double bond, so we need to add E and E. And of course, we need to specify the position of this double bond. So remember that we will number the carbon chain in a way to give the smallest number possible to the functional group. So the smallest number possible is 1. So we will write but 1-ene. So this is but 1-ene.